So I'm going to give you recipes. I'm going to talk about food and not just any recipes, healthy recipes, stuff that you could just find in your fridge and just put together and cook up. And the reason I'm doing this is people say, wow, you eat that for breakfast? Wow, you eat like that? Yes, I do. So I'm going to show you what it is and what it looks like. And some of you may gross out, and some of you may go, wow, that's pretty good. But it's all based on my metabolic typing. I've done this metabolic typing quiz through the book Eat, Move, and Be Healthy by Paul Chek, and it gives you your metabolic typing. You can go check it out. So I'm making a gluten-free heart pasta. Yes, gluten-free, and yes, hearts. And why chicken hearts? Well, it's rich in iron and zinc, it supports brain function, it's a high quality protein and a powerful antioxidant, and it does digest easy in the body. So I'm using this gluten-free pasta gnocchi and mushrooms, carrots, chives, and cabbage. Plus I added garlic and olive oil. Olive oil is great for digestion. Plus I have this Root Health is what I poured in it to cook it all in. And at the end, I added some sauerkraut on top and grated some raw cheese. And there you have it.